So today we're going to be looking at making this handle on the Milwaukee Packout Trolley detachable using the Neat Tools handle release kit installation. In the kit comes the actual release toggles, switches, whatever you want to call them, a drill guide, the instructions, sticker and the associated fixings and fittings. Here's the easy to follow instructions. There's also the ability to click on this link here and look at a video on how to do it. Throughout it reminds you to screw in slowly using the provided Allen keys and don't over tighten. So just please keep that in mind. First thing you want to do is remove these screws. Removing these screws means that you can take out the handle. Using a 7/32 drill bit, you want to enlarge these holes. Using the provided fixings, you're then going to screw those in to these holes here. Once those have been installed, you're going to reattach the handle. Which stops it from coming out the bottom. And then you're going to use the drill guide to start drilling the holes in preparation for the locks. The drill guide, really positive fit, although where it says 5/32 and 7/32, the holes weren't big enough for those drill bits. So this is 7/32. I put that in there, and as you can see, it's a real tight fit. So what I did was, rather than using a 7/32, I used a 13/16, and that was a much smoother, easier fit. And the same with the 5/32, that was quite a tight fit. So I went down a size, 9/64 of an inch, and drilled the holes out. And I think my rationale, my logic is that you can always remove more material if it doesn't fit, but it's much more difficult to add material if the fit's too loose.
Nice.
With the handle fully inserted and extended, you're then going to offer up the drill guide, and then as this is the right side, you're going to drill a hole using a 7/32 drill bit to drill all the way through, including the handle. Once you've drilled those holes, you're going to take the handle out, and then you're going to offer up the drill guide, and using a 5/32 drill bit, you're going to drill these 4 holes out. Once those 4 holes have been drilled out, you're going to offer up the lock like so. Make sure you get it, obviously the right one to the right hole, put it in, and then you're going to use the provided hardware to screw it all in place. Because you're fixing into plastic, you don't want to over tighten these, so use the Allen key provided, not a drill or impact driver to fix them in. And what I'm doing is using some thread locker to additionally bond it in place. Big blob of thread locker, shove it in the hole, and then tighten up with the Allen key. And then that's it, all in place. Now if you focus in through the hole, you will see there's the pin that latches into the handle. Hopefully it will focus. And when I pull the toggle up, it disappears, and then it comes out to lock everything in place. Once everything's screwed in place, you can then reinsert the handle, and as you can see, it's all locked in until you flick those switches up, and then the handle comes out. All you've done with the handle here is drill 2 holes for those locks to go in. All done. This is with another pack out on top. Nice and solid, not going to go anywhere. Overall, I'm impressed. Just be cautious of using, for me, I found it easier to use the undersized drill bits. Overall, I'm impressed about how easy and quick that was and how effective it is. So much so, I've put their sticker on the side of my toolbox with all the other reliable providers of kit that I've used in the past. Well done. Neat tools.